Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I am going to tell you about some injuries that I have had, and I am going to use slow English to talk about these, so it will be hopefully easier for you to understand every individual word. So it's very good if you want to try shadowing or you just want to be able to understand everything that you hear. So the other thing to remember is that when I tell you these three stories, only one of the stories is actually true. So you are going to try to guess which of the stories actually happened to me and which ones are false. So, story number 1. When I was a child, I was fascinated by heights. I loved climbing and getting to a place where I could see more of the area around me. So I really enjoyed climbing things, and I was not a very tall kid, so maybe this is why I really liked to climb and to see things from a different height and a different perspective. But one day I was climbing, and I was climbing in my house, and I decided to climb on the sofa. That was fine. But then the sofa was just a little bit away from the window, and I thought, oh, the window is higher. I'm going to climb to the window next. So I tried to climb to the window, and what happened? I fell. Tears, screaming. My ankle hurt so much. I ended up having to go to the hospital to get an X-ray. And it turned out, thankfully, my ankle was not broken, but I had sprained my ankle and I couldn't walk on my ankle for a while after that. So did it stop me from climbing? No, but I guess I just learned to be a little bit more careful. Story number 2. Again, this happened when I was a child. So when I was maybe 9 or 10 years old, my mother had a dog, and this dog was quite young, and he really liked to play. So he liked to grab things. He was a terrier, and they're a dog that likes to grab and shake and play kind of in a rough way. And so I was playing with this dog, and the dog was almost at the level of my face because there was a wall and some grass, and he was on top of the wall, almost at the level of my face. So we were playing, and this dog was having a lot of fun, and so was I. And suddenly he grabbed my nose with his teeth, and I started screaming. There was blood pouring out of my nose, and it turned out he had bitten my nose, and I still have a scar from where this happened. Third story. Again, these are all stories from childhood. When I was about 7 years old, I was playing outside on the swing, and I was trying to swing as high as I could. So I was going back and forth and trying to swing really, really high. And I had some friends there who were playing around, and I got distracted and I let go of the swing. I was kind of trying to show off a little bit as well, I guess, but I let go and of course I fell. So I fell right from the top of the swing, boom, down on my back, and I couldn't breathe. So when you can't breathe, we say you wind yourself. So I was winded. I couldn't breathe, super shocked. And after that, I had pain in my ribs. So my mother took me to the doctor, and thankfully nothing was broken. But I just strained some muscles in my ribs, which meant that when I was normally, doing any type of exercise, or even when I was breathing for maybe the week or so afterwards, I could still feel pain in my ribs from having strained the muscles in the fall. So that's my third story. Like I said, only one of the stories actually happened to me. So now your job is to guess which one is the real story. I will put the answer in the pinned comments, but let me know if you got it right or not. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.